Welcome to Apex in 5 minutes, and this is today's user story. Given a list of contact records, return a list with duplicate emails removed based on email. Okay, perfect. Well, let's quickly first create a Apex class. We could call it remove duplicates. This class, okay, and then now we could create a method to make it public, static, and it will be of list type contact. Since we will receive a contact list, we should return a contact list as well, and we could call this removal. And we are receiving a list of type contact, and we could call this list contacts. Now we would need to, okay, firstly, let's just create a list that will contain the result. Wait, no. It will be of type contact, and it will contain the result. Right. And next we're going to have to store the new list in something where duplications aren't allowed. So I'm thinking that we could store it in a set of type string, and we could just call it scene. So this will store all of the contacts that have been checked whether there's a duplicate or not. And set is being used because the set data type doesn't allow for duplication. So that's why we're using a set here. Next. And then now for the fun part where we loop through all of the contact records. So we'll just use a for loop and contact, and we could, yep, contacts over here. So we're just looping through the provided list of contacts. And we would like to see whether the contact has been seen already in the list. And how we're going to do that? So we are going to create the if statement to check whether or not the scene list or the scene set contains this email. So this is looping through the contact list and is comparing the current contact with all the other contacts that are in the scene set, and it's checking whether this contact is in the scene set, or checking whether it's been seen already. That's why I use the naming convention. So, and in this case, we need to check whether or not it has not been seen. So we're using this exclamation mark to say that we have not seen, or this email that we're looking at isn't within the scene set. So we do not see it basically. And that makes sense. And then now if it's not in the set or it hasn't been seen in the set, we are going to add it. See the email. Cool, perfect. And then now we're also going to add it in the result. So now we can finally add it to the result and return this list. And we just need to return. So we within this, and then just return The result. Okay, now to test this, we should probably go to the debug and use some anonymous apex and execute some anonymous apex. So firstly, we're going to have to create a list, and obviously of type contact because our our method within our class it accepts a list of type contacts. So we'll just quickly create a new list of type contacts. Oh, and now we're going to have to assign some values. So we can create a new contact and assign the email as. So let's just say just let's just do like test at test.com. Let's do that. And wait, new contact. Okay, perfect. And let's just copy the same thing. Uh, there's always this code, guys. Least we can do. And then we obviously have to now system debug it. System dot watch the system to debug it. And now we're going to have to enter remove duplicates and then call the remove method. Remove duplicates, remove a method, and then we are going to send or send the contacts list, and we can execute this. So here it goes, executed. There's an error somewhere. So let's see what is the error. List contact, new list contact, new. Oh, I think it might be this. And we should probably put a comma here. Cool, let's see. Going to save it. Oh, there's an error here. Let's see what could be the error. Context. You see, I think it's maybe um, it, it's the as I made that set appears spelling error. Okay. Oh wait, that's contains, not con. See what actually works. Okay. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So let's execute this. Still error. Contacts new list. Contact. Wait. Line 1, column 5. So these definitely years error. How could I make the stupid mistake? There's no equal sign. Okay, cool, perfect. Let's go to the debug logs. Logs. Cool, let's just view the debug only. And as you can see, the contact only contains one email. So it has removed the duplicate. So thank you for watching. Have a Good day.